Good day, everybody. I'm General Frank McKenzie, and I'm accompanied by the Command's Senior Enlisted Leader, Fleet Master Chief Jamie Hurdell, right behind me. To the men and women of the CENTCOM extended family, I want to continue to provide you the latest information on our fight to keep our people healthy. Last week, the Secretary of Defense raised the health protection condition level from Bravo to Charlie at all DoD installations around the world. It was an important step to ensure that the department is on the same page. Similarly, the Secretary issued a global 60-day stop movement order to assist our efforts to prevent the spread of COVID-19. While there will be some critical exceptions to policy granted for mission essential functions, for example, we're going to continue the drawdown in Afghanistan in accordance with the U.S. agreement with the Taliban. But my direction beyond that is that we will do everything we can to comply with the spirit and the letter of the Secretary's order. When mission essential movement must occur, we're going to execute quarantine procedures at point of origin to ensure that forces arriving in CENTCOM are ready for duty. And for those leaving CENTCOM, we will aim to quarantine those forces on arrival at home station to reduce the burden on our deployed forces. This is going to affect some deployment and redeployment schedules, but we're not going to take any unnecessary risks with our people or with the mission. To the thousands of service members deployed to CENTCOM's area of responsibility, your deployments help keep Americans, our partners, and allies safe. Your nation appreciates everything you're doing. I want you to hear it from me, from the commander, that we're doing everything we can to support you and to keep you safe. We continue to adapt to and overcome a challenging environment to ensure that you have the supplies, people, and capabilities you need to carry out your mission. To our military, civilian, and contract personnel here in Tampa, you should all be aware of the CENTCOM policy directives we put in place to prevent the spread of COVID-19, while also keeping the headquarters operational. The telework and social distancing guidelines will continue for the foreseeable future and are not optional. The latest policy update establishes a requirement that you be cleared by a medical professional before you return to work if you are tested for or diagnosed with COVID-19. We will continue to quarantine certain travelers and anyone who comes in close contact with someone confirmed to have COVID-19. These policies are meant to keep you and your family safe, but they are also meant to preserve our most important function, which is the command and control of forces deployed to our area of responsibility. We don't have the luxury to completely stand down our headquarters to eliminate all risk of transmission because we must continue to support those in harm's way. But we're going to do everything we can to do this mission safely. To our families and friends, thank you for your continued patience during these challenging times. We understand your concerns and are doing everything we can to keep you and your loved ones safe and informed. Please take heed and follow the guidelines established by the CDC to protect yourselves. Please comply with the stay home, stay safe guidance from our local authorities. Again, if you feel sick, regardless of the symptoms, stay home and isolate yourself as much as possible. If your symptoms don't improve within 48 hours, or if you feel it appropriate, call the MacDill Clinic and schedule an appointment by calling 813-828-2273. As always, don't hesitate to call 911 in an emergency. If a dependent is tested for possible COVID-19 symptoms at an off-base testing site, please have your sponsor notify the military chain of command. Stay informed through CENTCOM All emails, your sponsor's chain of command, the Key Spouse Program, and local authorities. On social media, it is important that you verify sources and rely upon official DoD and CDC sites to avoid passing along misinformation and spreading rumors. Some people have attempted to use the virus as an opportunity to scam people out of money. So I can't emphasize how important it is to verify information through official channels. We're all in this together, and we will be stronger by sticking together. Thank you for everything that you do.